Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to get above a key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. We have also managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, meaning it's now acting as support for us to continue pushing even higher. And the next key area of resistance that I'll be watching here on the Apecoin chart is at around the $6.35 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance could trigger even higher prices here on the Apecoin chart. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening before I give you the next target areas here on the Apecoin chart and also the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that Apecoin, after making its low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the AD12 structures, where you can see this 5-wheel structure having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and also completed a larger AD12 count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a higher AD12 count 2. We also expected to see an ABC corrective structure, which we saw here on the charts, having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that larger AD12 count 2. And after seeing the low for that wave 2, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger AD12 count 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $6.5 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that larger AD12 count 3 to the upside to do. And you can see here on the charts, we did not fully maximize our target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $6.5086 mark, and we made our high at around the $6.42 mark. And there are chances that this impulsive move that we are seeing at the moment, which has given us a break above the $6 mark, which was acting as resistance, could help us continue pushing even higher. Also managed to break above the next key area of resistance at around the $6.35 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance could trigger even higher prices once you see a successful retest of that key area of resistance. And once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher and fully maximize our target area to the upside in the formation of that larger AD12 count 3 at around the $6.5 mark. And once that happens, then we can say that we have seen the high for that larger AD12 count 3, and then from there we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger AD12 count 4. So once we fully maximize the formation of that larger AD12 count 3 and maybe have one more lower high here on the Apecoin chart, then there are chances of seeing a bit of a corrective structure to the lower side in what I was expecting as the formation of a larger AD12 count 4. So I still believe that that move must play out here on the Apecoin chart once we see the high for that larger AD12 count 3, and I believe that the move that is playing out at the moment could be the move that is giving us that new high in the formation of that larger AD12 count 3 before we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4. And once that happens, then that will be another perfect entry into Apecoin, so that we can be able to ride that bounce to the upside in the formation of these larger AD12 count 5. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Apecoin chart, and I'm also expecting to see a retest of this key area of support on the lower time frames, and jumping to the 1-hour chart to see whether we have seen the retest. Once we manage to break above that key area of resistance, you can see the retest is in here on the 1-hour chart, where you can see that that was the breakout. Then we saw a bit of a corrective structure to the lower side, giving us the retest of that key area of support, and we have continued pushing higher after seeing the retest, and that means higher prices are still coming our way here on the Apecoin chart. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 61 mark, fully supporting higher prices here on the Apecoin chart. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, and we're also seeing an increase in the buying volume, meaning higher prices are still coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.